Learn English to Gujarati take forms. Take 2.
લેવું.
Welcome to Take. Hey, you are about to master one tiny verb with a surprisingly large personality. Today, you will learn how English take changes in Gujarati, and yes, there may be a suspicious missing cookie. Our star verb is take, which in Gujarati is
લેવું.
imagine reaching for a bright red book, a mango, or the last piece of cake and saying, very proudly.
લેવું.
If you want to say, I want to take the book, you can think of the Gujarati sentence.
હું પુસ્તક લેવું માંગુ છું.
If someone politely tells you, please take an umbrella, think.
કૃપા કરીને છત્રી લેવું.
So first anchor, take equals
લેવું.
the mystery of the missing mango. Now let us turn one verb into a tiny detective drama. Listen closely, because everyone in the room took something, and nobody looks innocent. I walk into the kitchen. The mango is gone. I gasp with the energy of a very dramatic soap opera actor and whisper, who took it? First, I point to myself and confess, maybe.
મેં લીધું.
I took it. Then I point to you and say,
તમે લીધું.
you took it. This form can also work for you plural in this learning set, so if an entire group looks guilty, you can still glare dramatically and say,
તમે લીધું.
Then I point to Raj, who is pretending not to smell like mango, and say,
તેણે લીધું.
he took it. Then I point to Meera, who has mango on her sleeve, and say,
તેણીએ લીધું.
she took it. Then I point to a weird kitchen robot and say,
તે લીધું.
it took it. This is the moment the story becomes less about fruit and more about science fiction. Then the whole family raises their hands and says,
અમે લીધું.
we took it. Very honest. Very unhelpful. Finally, the neighbors lean over the wall and announce,
તેઓએ લીધું.
they took it. At this point, the mango has more plot twists than a TV series. Quick form drill. Let us make the forms stick. I will give you the English, and you mentally echo the Gujarati like a language ninja with snacks. Take.
લેવું.
I took.
મેં લીધું.
You took.
તમે લીધું.
He took.
તેણે લીધું.
She took.
તેણીએ લીધું.
It took.
તે લીધું.
We took.
અમે લીધું.
You all took.
તમે લીધું.
They took.
તેઓએ લીધું.
Mini dialogue at the market. Now you get a little real-life scene. Imagine a busy Gujarati market, colorful fruit, bargaining, and one friend who definitely took the best mangoes first. A. I want to take the book. B. Then say the key word.
લેવું.
A. Did you take the umbrella? B. Yes.
મેં લીધું.
A. Wait, my pen is missing. B. Maybe.
તમે લીધું.
By mistake. A. No, look at Rohan. B. Ah.
તેણે લીધું.
A. And who took the last sweet? B. Obviously.
તેણીએ લીધું.
She is smiling too much. A. Why is the machine still running? B. Because.
તે લીધું.
More time than expected. A. Did your team take the tickets? B. Yes.
અમે લીધું.
A. And the people from next door? B.
તેઓએ લીધું.
The taxi to the station. Memory tricks that actually behave. You do not need magic, but honestly, magic helps. Let us glue these words into your memory with silly images. 4.
લેવું.
Imagine your hand reaching forward and pulling back a shiny red book. Reach, grab, pull back. That motion is the word. 4.
မေလီသူ
Imagine yourself grabbing your keys and saying, "Yep, I took them." 4.
သမီးလီသူ
Imagine pointing at a friend who stole your cookie. Politely, of course. Very politely. 4.
တင်းလေးလီသူ
Picture a boy grabbing the last mango and trying to look invisible. 4.
တင်းရီလီသူ
Picture a girl taking the final cookie with the confidence of a queen. 4.
တီးလီသူ
Imagine a clock swallowing 10 minutes and refusing to apologize. It took time. 4.
အမေလီသူ
Imagine your whole family taking one tiny pencil together like it is a national treasure. 4.
တီယိုအေးလီသူ
Picture a group of squirrels in sunglasses carrying away a giant peanut. No explanation, just memory. Challenge round. Time for a quick quiz. No stress, just answer in your head, out loud, or with the confidence of someone who definitely did not take the missing cake. How do you say take?
လေးဘူး
How do you say I took?
မေလီသူ
How do you say you took?
သမီးလီသူ
How do you say he took?
တင်းလေးလီသူ
How do you say she took?
တင်းရီလီသူ
How do you say it took?
တီးလီသူ
How do you say we took?
အမေလီသူ
How do you say they took?
တီယိုအေးလီသူ
Friendly conclusion. Nice work. You just practiced a whole family of take forms in Gujarati. That is real progress, and also excellent detective work regarding the missing snacks. Today you learned take as
လေးဘူး
plus the past forms.
မေလီသူသမီးလီသူတင်းလေးလီသူတင်းရီလီသူတီးလီသူအမေလီသူ
And
တီယိုအေးလီသူ
thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing, say the forms out loud, reuse them in tiny sentences, and come back tomorrow so these words stay with you for the long run.